Hi, my name is Alan Rich. I'm from Fort Collins, Colorado. Decided to attend the Drone Command Live course because I'm going to be starting a drone flying business just past the 107. My biggest takeaways from the event is ultimately everything that they've been offering and saying is very, very good knowledge, very good information, and there's not anything that hasn't been helpful so far. Attending it virtually is great because I could do it from my home. I would have flown to Texas or Florida, but I have no problem doing it virtually as well. If anyone's on the fence about attending Drone Command Live, I would definitely tell them to do it. It's well worth it. You're investing in yourself, you're investing in your business. It's only going to accelerate how far you can go. And at the end of the day, you're going to not make mistakes that a lot of people have made already. Most valuable lesson that I learned is really just going to have confidence in yourself and know that you don't need to be the best pilot. You just need to be really good at running a business. And if I had to describe Damon and Diego to someone who's never met them, very, very knowledgeable, great energy, great people, just all around great teachers, great resource. And I'm really, really glad to be part of this.